This is a very interesting shape.
It's called a triangle.
We have that here, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have a picture of the triangle right there, and then we have a did you know that? A triangle always has an angle sum of 180 degrees.
The length of any two sides of a triangle combined always exceeds the length of the third side.
And if three corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. I had two, you had one. Pi is an example of a triangle.
Pi!
And a triangular game board.
Pi!
Yes, pi, we know. And a shark tooth.
Pi! Oh, shark tooth.
Yes, a shark tooth. Shape Central!
Why do we even have to have this?
It's just fun. The sphere! See, I put that there so you couldn't steal my line.
But that's just a ball made of lots of squares.
It's a sphere.
This is a baseball! It's a perfect example of a sphere!
No edges, no vertices, and no faces.
Then, what's that spherical thing?
It's a sphere. Duh! You just said it.
Oh. It can be found in most baseball stadiums.
You know, what kind of baseball stadium doesn't have a baseball?
That's so funny. You really got me there.
I'm not laughing.
Oh. Take me out to the ball game. Oh, it hurts so much. Ow, the pain. Ow, it hurts so much.
Examples of a sphere is a golf ball,
A kickball,
and a bowling ball. Shape Central!
Not again!
The square pyramid. I like that picture, sort of like pyramids instead of pyramids.
Yeah.
The square pyramid!
The base of the pyramid is square.
The volume of the pyramid equals 1/3 the base to the second power times the height.
And it has 8 edges.
The Louvre in Paris is an example of a square pyramid, and the pyramids of Giza, and a Lego pyramid. We're going to do Shape Central, but Max didn't want to do that. But now we're going to talk about the cylinder, a very interesting shape.
Of course it's a very interesting shape. It's a cylinder!
Okay.
This here cup of coffee is a perfect example of a cylinder. It has a lateral surface and 2 lateral bases.
And no angles. By the way, you're under arrest, Cowboy Max. This is a vial of poison, 8.5 milliliters to be exact. It's a perfect example of a cylinder.
Oh, is that soda?
Nope.
Can I have that soda? No. Oh. I wish I really shouldn't. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have drinking.
I'll get you!
Ah!
This is a very, 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 very common shape, the rectangle.
You see it every day.
Yep, you do. This is a green screen.
Right now, it is showing a rectangle.
A rectangle has 4 sides.
It has 4 90-degree angles.
And 2 pairs of parallel sides.
Cool.
We're in space.
I forgot my helmet.
Good thing I remember mine. One small step for man. One giant leap for 2 6th graders. Make that what? Octagon, you see it almost every day.
It can be found like all the time on the open road in the form of a stop sign.
Did you know that the sum of its interior angles is 1080 degrees?
Or octagons can have a maximum of 4 parallel lines.
And each interior angle is equal to 135 degrees. Example of an octagon is a gazebo,
A stop sign,
and this window that we randomly found on the internet. Triangular prism!
kind of looks like a tent.
Yeah, I think tents are them.
Yeah.
Do you know A triangular prism has 5 faces.
A triangular prism consists of 3 rectangles and 2 triangles.
And there are 4 vertices in a triangular prism. Examples of a triangular prism is Toblerone, this cake, and this wallet.
Yes. The rectangular prism. Did you know a rectangular prism has 6 faces?
All of the faces of a rectangular prism are rectangular.
And a rectangular prism has 12 edges.
Some examples are a present, a UPS box, and
a
a
Snickers
Snickers bar. The cone. I love the fire.
Yeah.
Looks like a burning building.
The cone of fire.
Yep. Did you know that a cone has no vertices?
A cone has an infinite number of planes and symmetry.
And a cone has 1 edge. Some examples of a cone is a cone and an ice cream cone and a party hat. The ovoid, or the egg shape,
is the 3D oval.
Did you know an ovoid is a 3-dimensional oval, like you just said? An ovoid has no edges, and an ovoid is slightly condensed, squished version of a circle.
Yes. Correct.
Yes, correct.
You get an A+.
Yep. Some examples are these jars, an egg like I mentioned before, and an Easter egg! That concludes this week's episode of Shapes!